Hello everyone, in front of me is TCL 50 SE, and let me show you how to change keyboard language. First, open new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. Once you've got it enrolled, mark settings icon, go to languages, tap on add keyboard, choose the language that you want to apply. As you can see, you can either scroll till you find the preferred language, or you can use search area and provide the language that you want to apply here. Tap on done, and now you can stay with both languages or remove unnecessary language. Let me stay with both, and from now on you've got this brand new keyboard active, and you can switch between languages smoothly by tapping on this word icon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.